create and delete database. In this video, we will learn create database and delete database. What is database? A database is an organized collection of data so that it can be easily accessed and managed. You can organize data into tables, rows, columns, and index it to make it easier to find relevant information. Let's see the syntax for creating database. Here you can see the syntax for create database and database name. Here create database is a keyword and database name is a custom name. Always remember that SQL Server, it's not a case sensitive language, so you can write create database in small case as well and capital case as well. Let's see how can we create database in SQL Server. Here I have already logged in SQL Server. So for writing query, we need query editor. So here you can see we have new query button. Click on this and you will find a new query window. If you check this drop down, here you will find many databases over here. But whenever you create a database, always select this master database. Now come here and create your database. So create database and database name, student management. All right, create database and database name. Now select this and execute this. Command completed successfully. Now select this database and refresh this, and inside this you can find your student management database. All right, and when you expand this, you will find all your objects, and right now all are null. Fine. So right now we had created database using query. We can create database by right click on this database, and here you will find new database. Select this and here write the name for your database. So here I am writing employee management. All right. Now click on OK button. So here you can see you will find your employee management database, and when you expand this, you will find all your objects. All right. So this is how you can create your database. Delete database. To remove an existing database from SQL Server instance, you use the drop database statement. Here you can see the syntax for drop database. Drop database. If exist, then database name. If exist is a keyword which check that whatever name you have given here for dropping database, that exists or not. It always return boolean value. And this is also an optional part. It's not mandatory to write if exist while writing drop database. Now let's check how can we drop database in SQL Server. So here we recently created one database, student management. So now we will drop this. So drop database and then database name, student management. This semicolon, it's not mandatory. Now select this and execute. Command completed successful. Now select database and then again refresh. See, your student management database has been removed. Right? Right now you had just drop your database using SQL query. You can delete from here as well. Select your database, right click on this and you will find delete button. Click on this and then click OK button. Right? Now you can see your employee management has been removed. So this is how you can drop your database. So in this tutorial, what we had learned what is database and how to create and delete database using SQL query and directly using SQL Server Management Studio tool. Thank you.